the fastest and smallest Debian installation with Debian Preseed. You see the Preseed entries here for Plasma, GNOME, Mate, XFCE, GNOME Flashback and LXDE Openbox, and we run the Openbox Preseed installation full automatical. All the values you normally type into the installation process with the Debian installer you can preseed and pre-configure in a preseed.cfg file and create your own copy of the original DVD, Debian installation DVD with preseed entries. And then you can run this preseeded setups for each desktop automatically, and you don't have to care again. So, and I use this very often, so sorry it's in German here, I have to change this in the future with a specific English translation. I have this for the Plasma and GNOME desktop, and I use this very often to reproduce very fast a virtual machine for a specific setup, to test things, to show things in a video and so on. And this is very, very helpful. And this is the fastest and smallest installation. And we will see if this is successful. And then we will see. I have set the disk size with qemu-image create-f qcode2 and then the name of the qcode2 image. This is a virtual disk. I have set the size to 2.7 gigabytes. This is the brutal smallest thing I ever done. Normally with 4 gigabyte is the smallest what I have done before, but I have seen in the tests that I have already 1.5 gigabyte free space, so I tried with a smaller one. So 2.7 gigabyte disk, and used will only 1.7 gigabyte after this installation with Openbox and LX terminal. And this is a basic system to create the minimalist install with xorg desktop, and then I can specifically create whatever I want with the space where I have a basic desktop. So this is just the smallest one. I also can use LXDE, Mate, XFCE, GNOME Flashback or Plasma or GNOME in my Preseed setups, like you have seen on the video beginning. And so the installation is running very fast. This is real time. Yeah, this is absolute real time. This is brutal. This is preceding installation with Debian. So, and this is so awesome because if I plan to make some tests on programs or on setups, I just start a Preseed configuration installation with which desktop I want, and I just started and do some other stuff, I don't care, and after a few minutes I have finished a complete new fresh virtual machine where I can go for and do some stuff. This is awesome. So I don't have to type and click all the stuff in the Debian installer. Yeah. And this is now installing grub bootloader, so we are straight to the end of the installation. Finishing the installation, and then I will quick restart the system, just show you the Openbox, and we are ready. Restarting. This is a grub bootloader, and we start the system here, the fresh new virtual machine. lightdm, and this is Openbox with the menu, and we open just the terminal, df-h, and we see here 1.7 used and 370 megabyte already free, and this is 2.2 gigabyte partition size. And we also have free-m. We have a 500 megabyte swap partition also, and this together makes 2.7 gigabyte from the whole disk. Sudo fdisk-l. Here you see this is 2.7 gigabyte disk, the smallest and fastest Debian installation ever you will find. Preseeding is awesome. Have fun, stay tuned, look for my other videos, and I go into the details of preseeding.